forces. How would you describe their alliance with Opopo people and, of course, the Biafra movement?
And let me tell you, this is the time we are talking about, because when good things want to happen, there are other forces, countering it. And the forces that have started countering it is the removal by the House is an envisaged vision, plan, speculated to come, and it has come. Wike is trying to remove fubara. And as this warning has come from the militants, I think it is the high time that Tinubu prepare for that trouble he wants. Because I don't see an administration that plays it this dirty. Grab it, snatch it, kick them, buy them. It is a very bad policy by this present administration. And that thing that Tinubu is looking for, he has seen it. Listen and listen good. Nigerian military forces should prepare for the militants, because they are not having it easy. They are not going to have it easy with Tinubu this time around. You are buying people in the southeast. You have now come to buy people in the south-south. They are waiting. The war going on now in the River State House of Assembly is going to one place, one point, one area, only one circle. Just to do what? To impeach fubara. We are all speaking same language. We all have the same blood. The color of blood is red. Some persons are saying, now we sabi play politics. Igbo man just sabi business. Igbo man no sabi play politics. Because Igbo man, he work hard, makes his money. You that is boasting that you sabi make politics. How do you know you sabi make politics? Is it not when you go stealing people's votes, stealing people's money, coming up with all manners of fares and local taxes, siphoning people's money? Is that what you call politics? Okay, that's why Igbo man does not know how to play politics. You overshadow people, swoop on people, deny them the vote, their votes and mandate they have given to their various choice candidates. Now you are trying to tell Igbo that they don't know politics. Okay, we don't know politics. Wait, go and finish it up in River State. The politics you sabi is waiting for you there. Chebi, when those militants, those indigents says no, you will say yes, Sabi. You will sabi politics, go there, you go there. Go. You will allow your children in your compound, you go play dirty politics. Another man's children, they will be dying for you. You sabi play politics. Thank you so much. Agberoid politics is it. You can never come out and play true politics that the whole world knows how to play. How it is. Your politics is aboroid. Snatch the box. Buy them. Kick them. Go at the back and do ruru. Manipulate some persons. Do manipulation. Commit manipulation and succeed. Snatch ballot paper and run away. The kind of politics you people sabi. Abi, Igbo man no politics like that. Igbo man is a Republican. We come with our vote at the polling units. We cast our vote for the right person. The right persons carry the day. We are not in any politics in the kind that Kunle like to play. Politics of Wayo, Akazu, politics of Indomi, politics of 5,000, half cup of Derika, politics of what? Divide up rice into two, give them, F-N. Politics of cook meat, fry meat, and give them, so that they will vote for the wrong person. Igbo man doesn't play that kind of politics. We remember the future. After collecting rice, after receiving 5,000, the next 4 years will remain poor. Because the man in question you are voting for will actually steal all the public fund. To do what? To fill up his pocket, the one he used to bribe you. That's why we don't look towards that side. Igbo man plays neat politics. Yes, we've seen what happened. Obi came out, he didn't give anybody 10 kobo. They voted for him. They actually thwarted that effort at the judiciary department. When the whole judges, when the whole lawyers, when the whole lawmakers back up the wrong party, they read narrations, reading of judgment, begun began to look like church service. Before you know it, they turned Nigerian court into church service. They begin reading and reading and reading and reading and reading and reading. They begin to read. Everybody slept off. Obi slept off. Everybody, Hope Uzodinma slept off. Yule Edochie slept off. Benedict Johnson slept off. All in the name of politics.
Because Tinubu himself is clueless. He doesn't have what it takes to lead a country. All he knows is siphoning and stealing, siphoning our money. I'm telling you, there are many evidence, clinical evidence that he is not working, very clueless. That's why Nigeria economy is dilapidated. Everybody in Nigeria is suffering today because of incompetence of the man in charge of this present administration. Let me tell you, the Igbo has gone far to suffer so much under Nigeria. And we have come of age and experience. It is the high time that every politician from southeastern Nigeria should be asking themselves question. What are they doing in the house? Both upper and lower legislature. What are they doing there? They should begin to retract from partaking on this. Any government, any administration that comes to be in this extraction called Nigeria. It is high time the Igbo man in the house should brace it up that Biafra has come and everybody should go. Everybody should be thinking about going to Southeast because we can never remain with these people.
But do you think the backing of Russia and Trump, United States of America
it
president...
It is the ending result already.
Yeah,
they said it is artificial intelligence. No. Trump is looking towards after finishing with Russia and Ukraine. If peace, tranquility envelops those countries, Russia and Ukraine, America is coming on such rapid speed to come and quell the fire of animosity burning, against the Igbo man in the southeastern Nigeria. They are coming. Something must be done about the kind of injustice going on in Nigeria now against the Igbo nation. Trump has said it. It is not artificial, intelligence. It is not generated artificially. It's a live broadcast. I'm telling you, America, we have lobbyists in the House of Congress. We have lobbyists within the American lawmakers. We have lobby. Robert, the Chief Justice of the Federation of the United States of America, I think he knows about Biafra. Then Mondia, because the name of the Attorney General, again, he knows about Biafra. So what happened is that on a round table talk, we are going to discuss the destiny of Nigeria. Nigeria is no longer an entity. It has been dismembered as a sort of religion division, ethnic division, tribal hostilities, and the political bigotry. We are no longer a nation. And a nation that could not stand as one. The only solution is that everybody should go. And Biafra is going. In fact, Igbo man has gone, leaving Nigeria on their predicament.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, sorry, lastly, the middle belt have come out and said that Igbo should rest, that it's their turn to become president, that they've had their own numbers of time of, wanting to become president, but they've not gotten theirs, but it's their time. Do you think that middle belt have a candidate that can really push Tinubu to the limit?
They have all it takes to push Tinubu out. One, Tinubu is not doing the right thing. He's not, yes, he's not competent to handle Nigerian political leadership. He's not competent to at least carry everybody along as a charismatic leader. All Tinubu knows how to do is to bring down Lagos, hold Lagos as handkerchief, put it inside his pocket, and that is where his political prowess, ended. It has not gotten out of long Lagos domain contest. It is within Lagos. That's where he's an expert. Yes, but not all Nigeria. Entire regions of this country. Middle Belt has what it takes to edge him out. After all, Middle Belt and the North, Fulani and the outside, they have been on the limelight of Nigerian political leadership for years. So come what may, Middle Belt should fight for what is theirs. I will never, criticize Middle Belt or look down on them. They have every right and they have what it takes to struggle to fight for what belongs to them.
Honest statement one here for Southeast and Southwest. It's a negative talk. They maybe no bring them, and you can't stand. Tinubu should go and know the agreement when do with them. They can go suffer because Nigeria don't even want to hear whether agreement or no agreement. Nigeria don't even want to see them anymore. Nigeria is just waiting for 2027. May they pack their baggage and go because we don't tire to hear any of their talk. Every day, talk, no answer, no action. Talk now, we want chop. We can't chop talk now. Tinubu don't fail. Woefully. No be say no. Tinubu don't get A, don't get B, don't get C, don't get D. You don't get W. Can you imagine that kind of statement? And you're a president, every day you see people increase. You see someone when don't care for the masses of a nation. How does this call one? So be they put you there. Okay, now people put you there now. Okay, now they buy them say they don't do Sharia. Sharia now they know, but we don't already decide. Me and you don't decide. All Nigeria don't decide. See, nobody will stand for their back. That's the end of discussion. They have nowhere to be found anymore.
But we've seen, these people, these Sharia people, or the Fulanis, elders, we've seen say they don't come out with different method of say they want to open grazing, to ranching, to even water bid, they want pass different law, but this thing never come and work. You know to say that's why they frustrated.
They must be frustrated because their deal has been exposed. See, you have been exposed when Buhari was there. He said there was a law, open grazing. He said the whole farm for the whole Nigeria land upon the invasion of Nigeria farm, killing Nigeria, raping our women, destroying our crops, killing us unnecessarily. You see, want to sign a open graze law. And then Nigeria, when Nigeria come outside and voice, he go run. So now nobody will just come for your place, come to your land and say, implicate Sharia law. Who be Sharia? Who you be? Where you come from? You be spirit, you be one be. They will chase you out. Now you are freedom now for us to chase any illegality out because we the hungry with the verse. Everybody hungry, everybody start on the truth that you know that will protect your people. You know the way they hold that one and small. They will hold all of us. Can they hold all of us? Is it possible to hold all of us? It's impossible. You can't hold all of us. Now we don't know say yes, your agenda is not exposed. So we eliminate all. We are Christian, we are not demon. We are God sent. We are from God. See, we are not killers. Somebody that will cheer a pregnant woman one side, we pick it for inside belly. Then one more will go follow. We will not be follow them. It's impossible. No matter their trick, we will chase them out. It can't happen. It can never happen. Okay, so, and the president body language will say, if it's time, they go banish him. They go punish him now. Even though for the house sell the hot. The house will say implication in policy is a disaster to his whole community, because of the generality of Nigeria. If very woefully, they want to bring more suffering. Do you know me of Sharia? They will not tie you for everywhere, control your household. We are wise enough for it. It's not allowed.
So what do you think the governors and the politicians in the southwest and southeast, what do you think say they do right now as regards?
See, they should gang up against that illegality law. They should gang up and against and push it out. Otherwise, they themselves will be pushed out. They will have nowhere to be found. They will have nowhere to be found. But now they have the capacity and the power to say, no, it's not allowed in my environment. Because my environment is my environment. My environment is different from your environment. So what my environment needs is what they need from millions of years ago. Don't try to bring any inferior complex on here. Everybody will lose. So they have to think reality against tomorrow. Tomorrow. Because today is already seen. Tomorrow will never shine. But maybe they do reality. We're going to make tomorrow be good for them and for us. Otherwise, they will run away. They will run away. And who will accept them? Now, the Abulani will accept them, they go slaughter them. So they have to think twice and do the right thing in the right time.
But for the Fulani, but do you not think that just like as the Fulanis now they talk, do you not think say if Tinubu not really come out, try help them implement this thing, they not go vote for him? come 2027.
See, God will bless you. See, you talk about Tinubu come 2027. Tinubu days are not bad. We don't even want to hear all those kind of language because Tinubu himself, he even bad past them. So what are you saying? Say they go vote. They vote, they don't vote. We don't go vote. Except there's a dramatically change of policy when Nigeria will now feel the sense of belonging. I will not know, okay, now we are in democracy. Government for the people, by the people, and for the people. Now it's only government by their colonies. We are not included. So that's why they don't care about our suffering. That's why we are saying, come 2027, their name will be cancelled. Their name will be cancelled. See, me and you can come outside tomorrow, and we